Hello everyone, my name is Ajit Karvinkal and I welcome you all to this video which is going to talk about an Excel shortcut that is going to help you in your day-to-day work. So guys, before we move on to this video, please do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel because I'm going to bring the videos on Excel which is going to help you a lot, and these videos are going to be short, which will be around 1 to 3 minutes, which will help you to understand it in a better way as you will be able to focus in the video since it is short. So I promise you all guys, I'm going to bring these kind of informative videos that is going to help in regular intervals. So do subscribe my channel and do provide your valuable feedback and comments in the comments box. So let's begin. In this video, I'm going to talk about an Excel shortcut that will be used in order to show a particular number in currency. Let's assume the number is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to show this number in currency that is rupees. And in order to do that, you can use a shortcut that is Ctrl Shift and dollar. See, it is that easy to convert a number into currency INR, that is Indian rupee. I repeat, the shortcut is Control, Shift, and dollar sign. I hope guys you found this video helpful. Please do subscribe my channel and like it. Do share it with your friends and family. And watch out for such informative videos in future as well. Thank you guys for being with me throughout. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.